All right, Brian's going to try the 44 mag. He's Dirty Harry today. Hold on to that, baby.
Feeling lucky, punk?
Well, you hit him. Hold on to it.
Mother. Damn.
It's like a hand cannon.
Jesus. Damn. This thing is a cannon. That it?
Nope.
Wow. How do I check it? Filthy Missouri scum.
One-handed.
You dirty filthy Missouri.
It's a handful. He hit it.
One dead Indian. There you go. Oh. Yeah,
Yeah,
I think
you're
that's
right.
it. Yeah.
Little flinch at the end.
Little flinch. Two-handed, do you like that better? All right, let me get it sighted in here.
All right, Brian's going to do a little rapid fire action with the AR.
Did you move the stock?
Yeah, you can slide it out wherever you want.
No. I liked it in a little bit.
There you go. Whenever you're
Okay.
ready.
All right. We're hot.
Going hot. Keep shooting it. Watch the target. I think you still got some in it.
Yeah, I don't want to shoot at that. Oh, here we go. We got the other one up.
There you go.
Smoking. Smoking
That's awesome.
AR.
On the 44 mag.
Miss.
He flinched a little, I think.
You think? Got it. Oh, yeah. That just makes it makes my cheeks, my head is just like fumble. Yeah, I know what you mean.